About to meet up with Gio. We're about to go work out. It's gonna be some fun stuff. I don't know if Gio's still gonna be my friend after this, but I'm excited. It's a beautiful day. Look at that. Yes. Pelham Bay Park, nature, Gio. We're about to work out. Looking for some nice nature spot to get our nature workout on. I think that's what I'm gonna call it, Gio. The nature workout.
It's nice, it's lovely.
Look at this nature. You got people just laying down and meeting up and having barbecues. That guy over there. Laying down. Yeah, man.
I think that's a lady.
Yeah, lady, guy, everyone's just having a good time. You hear the birds? The birds are even happy. The birds are gonna work out. All right, we're here, about to work out. Gio and I set up an awesome obstacle course. Gio's ready. Let's take a little run through of what we got going on. You feel good? Oh yeah.
Listen to the wind whistling in the jungle sound my ear like a vacuum bugging up the boom glisten like the sun hits a drum cursing all of them doom rising up from the ground growing for life to move. I'm planted like a single rhythm get up and get up groove. I'm firm like a tree. I know that's what I know. So many colors wonderful like it was a rainbow. Let me tell you one time and if you didn't know I said the moonlight it lights in my night at twilight from the night to my roof. Send praise the proof I'm looking up to the night. Ask me up to get up, I get up, I get up.
Workout's done.
How
you feeling?
Okay.
I feel good. It's hot out here. We're in the shade. It's mad sunny. Mad sunny. You up for some frisbee?
Yeah, I guess you took my vacation smile away.
That is okay.